బాబు నేను ఇవాళ చెక్ లిస్ట్ ఇంకా టైం ఉంది కదా చాలా మంది జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి అవుతుంది ఇంకా ఈ లోపల మీరు చూడండి చెక్ లిస్ట్ మీ స్క్రీన్ వచ్చిందా
వచ్చాను సార్.
చెక్ లిస్ట్ చూడండి ఫుల్ బాడీ హార్నెస్ చెక్ లిస్ట్ ఫుల్ బాడీ హార్నెస్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మన దగ్గర ఉంది చూసారా అది పైన ఎల్లో కలర్ లో ఉంది చూసారా అది ఎల్లో కలర్ గా పెద్ద బెల్ట్ ఉంది చూసారా హార్నెస్ అంటారు దాన్ని. అంటే చూపిస్తుందా ఇది దగ్గరికి తీసుకొని చూపించిన
కన్వర్షన్ సార్.
ఎల్లో కలర్ లో పొడుగ్గా ఉంది చూసారా దాని హుక్స్ అయి ఉన్నాయి.
అవును సార్, అది మనం పైకి ఎక్కేటప్పుడు హుక్స్ డబుల్ హుక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్.
రైట్ సార్. వెంకట్ ప్రసాద్ మీకు ఐడియా ఉందా
సార్ సేఫ్టీ గురించి?
సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్ అంటారు దాన్ని, ఫుల్ బాడీ సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్ అంటారు. మామూలు వాడుక భాషలో జనరల్ గా లేబర్ అది వర్కర్స్ వాళ్ళు సేఫ్టీ బెల్ట్
ఎక్కువ వాడుతూ ఉంటారు సార్.
మనం అలా అనకూడదు, సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్ అనాలి దీనికి. అంటే సేఫ్టీ నేమ్ అన్నమాట, సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్. వెంకట్ ప్రసాద్
హలో,
చూస్తున్నారా అది మీకు సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్?
బయట ఉన్నాను సార్.
బయట ఓకే ఓకే. సునీల్ చూస్తున్నారా అది చెక్ లిస్ట్?
చూస్తున్నాను సార్.
ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెక్ లిస్ట్ అంటే? నేను చెప్పాను కదా చెక్ లిస్ట్ అది మంత్లీ అంటే కంపెనీ ఒకలా చేస్తారు. మంత్లీ ఒకసారి, 15 days ఒకసారి, లేదంటే 3 months ఒకసారి చేస్తారు. ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా లాస్ట్ లో రిమార్క్ కాలం చూసావా సునీల్?
రిమార్క్ లాస్ట్ ఉంది సార్, ప్లస్ సింబల్ తో.
లాస్ట్ అది
ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ తో ఫుల్ బాడీ హార్నెస్.
ఫుల్ బాడీ హార్నెస్ చెక్ చేస్తున్నారు. హుక్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి దాని తలుగా ఫిజికల్ డ్యామేజెస్, ఫాస్నర్స్, కరోజన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? యాక్సెప్టెడ్ ఆర్ రిజెక్టెడ్ అని ఉంది లాస్ట్ లో చూసారా? 5వ పాయింట్
చూసాను సార్ లాస్ట్.
అలాగా చెక్ లిస్ట్ చాలా చెక్ లిస్ట్ చూపిస్తాను. డీ రింగ్స్, బకిల్స్, బ్యాక్ ప్యాడ్, ఎనీ డ్యామేజెస్, డిస్ట్రక్షన్, షార్ప్ ఎడ్జెస్, బర్న్స్, క్రాక్స్, వెబ్బింగ్స్ అంటే బెల్ట్ అన్నమాట. అది బెల్ట్ ఉంది కదా, స్ట్రాప్, అది వెబ్బింగ్స్. అక్కడ ఏమైనా డ్యామేజ్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా దానికోసం చూపించిన దగ్గరికి వచ్చి మీకు లేదని చూస్తారా?
లేదు సార్, నేను ఆల్రెడీ వాడాను సార్. కంపెనీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు పైకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు
సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్ డబల్ లేనియాడ్ ఉంటుంది, అదే యాక్సెప్టబుల్. సింగిల్ లేనియాడ్ అనేది యాక్సెప్టబుల్.
సింగిల్ వేస్ట్ కదా సార్, అది ఎదురు స్టార్టింగ్ సింగిల్ సార్, తర్వాత డబల్ ఇచ్చారు సార్. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఏంటంటే ఒకటి తెగిపోయినా సరే ఇంకోటి యూజ్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఫ్యాక్టరీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు చేసాం సార్, పైకి ఎక్కేటప్పుడు అవి సేఫ్టీ అంతా ఇచ్చి పంపించారు.
ఇది చెక్ లిస్ట్ అందరూ చూస్తున్నారా బాబు? చెక్ లిస్ట్ నేను డిస్ప్లేలో పెట్టాను స్క్రీన్. పవన్, రెడ్డి రవికుమార్ చూస్తున్నారా? కానీ అది చెక్ లిస్ట్.
సార్
ఫుల్ బాడీ హార్నెస్ అన్నమాట, బెల్ట్. లాస్ట్లో కింద సిగ్నేచర్ ఏదో అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా, డేట్ ఎప్పుడు చేసాము, ఆ రిజల్ట్ అనేది చూడండి. ఏ ఈజ్ యాక్సెప్టబుల్, ఆర్ ఇస్ రిజల్ట్. ఇంకా సేఫ్టీ హార్నెస్ అంటే బెల్ట్ మాట. ఇదిగో అక్కడ ఉంది మన దగ్గర వెనకాల ఎల్లో కలర్లో ఉంది చూసారా, లెంతీగా తీసుకొని వస్తాను. చూసిరానా అంటే కొంతమంది చూడలేని ఉన్నారు, చూస్తారు. ఇవి హుక్స్ మాట. ఇవి హుక్స్ పైన వేస్తారు, రెండు ఉంటాయి. డబల్ లైనియర్డ్ హార్నెస్ అంటారు, సేఫ్టీ బెల్ట్ డబల్ లైనియర్డ్, రెండు హుక్లు వేస్తారు పైన. వర్క్లో ఇది బెల్ట్ పైన వేసుకొని, ఇది డబల్ బెల్ట్ వేసుకొని పైన పెడతారు. ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. షాక్ అబ్జర్వర్ అంటే, షాక్ అబ్జర్వర్ నెమ్మదిగా ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. హలో, వినిపిస్తుందా?
అనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
బెల్ట్ అంటారు, ప్రాక్టికల్ గా తర్వాత చూపిస్తాను మీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు. ఎప్పుడైనా జస్ట్ మామూలుగా చూడండి. ఇగో డీలింగ్ అంటే ఇది డీ లాగా చూసారా, డి డి ఇది డీలింగ్. ఓకే, తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఇది పాలిమైడ్ రోప్ అంటారు అన్నమాట, స్టాండర్డ్. అయితే ఇది మోర్ దెన్ దగ్గర 2600 to 2700 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది బెల్ట్. అలాగే చూడండి, ట్రాక్టర్ చెక్ లిస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంది ట్రాక్టర్కి. సీ ది చెక్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాక్టర్. They provided numbers, tire, top shelter, handbrakes, back doors, everything according to this number checklist provided below. It is there or not, we have to check it. These are the checklist. After checklist, any remarks you can find out. You have to write remarks here, signature, name and date. Yes, if it is yes, available. No, if there is no, means no. Any remarks we have to write. Document number, date, contractor name, which company you are doing this inspection. Operator name and license number. Who is operating the tractor? Gasketing. You see this gasketing, gas cylinders. Most of the people know that, I hope. This gasketing. Devendra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this type of checklist usually we are maintaining in the site now. Just I am showing this for the new people, because everyone should know.
Okay, sir.
I will share you all those things, no issue. I will send you mail later on this one. bar binding machine. In construction, civil works, bars, rebars, bending and everything, cutting, molding, not molding, bending. They're making rings as per the requirements. They will do with the machine. Like this. Just I show the samples of something. Okay, some welding machine I will show you. Usually, all people know this welding and everything. This is the welding machine. Every equipment has checklist for inspection. Okay, like this. On off button. First starting with on off button. Regular with indicator is provided. Indicators. Welding cables connected. Plugs. Plugs means they are connecting connector. We're taking where outputs. Wherever welding output now, there is a lugs. If there is loose connection, the sparks will come. We will know that the separate chapter. Just I am showing outline for the this checklists. Checklist. Just I am showing for to show the checklist. Compactor. You know this compactor? To level the surface, using this compactor to level the surface.
Tell sir.
Okay, no, we'll go for another chapter. No, we will continue what yesterday. Where will you? Yesterday there was an issue with the network or what? No, I don't know.
Network, sir.
Network or Zoom server. I don't know. I was tried with phone also. There is, but not working. See this, yesterday we was discussed them occupational accident, occupational injury before class commuting accident. Now today types of causes for accident. See basic causes, poor management. Because of poor management only everything is happened. Because of management, lack of management commitment, poor safety, inadequate safety policy, decision making, personal factors and environmental factors. These are all the reasons for the accident. Causes of for the accident. Unsafe act, performance, indirect causes, conditions, unplanned release of energy, direct cause. Then we will get accident, person injury or property damage. Okay. Next, we'll go for what is the direct cause of accident? A direct cause is a cause that directly resulted in the occurrence. If something happened, something occurrence, the result is direct. See, example is there. In the case of leak, the direct cause could have been the problem in the component or equipment that leaked. In the case of system misalignment, the direct cause could have been operator error in adjustment of alignment. After accident, we are doing the investigation. No? There is a direct cause or indirect cause or root cause. These will come. Okay, direct cause means it directly resulted from the occurrence. A direct cause is the cause that directly resulted in the occurrence. Okay. Example also shown in example for leak of any chemical or whatever. Just write in just for explanation only. Should the example we can do any example for this. Example in the case of leak, of a leak, the direct any leak, suppose it's say happening any leak, the direct cause could have been problem with the tank component or equipment leaked issue. There is a technical problem, whatever. In the case of system misalignment, the direct cause could have been operator error adjustment in the alignment and whatever. Okay, this is called a direct cause. There is a cause and one more cause is indirect cause. I will tell you. This is direct cause. Okay, indirect cause means an indirect cause is a cause that contributed to occurrence but by itself would not have caused the occurrence. Example, same tank leaking. In the case of leak, the incident cause would be lack of adequacy, operator training, because of indirect cause has happened due to the lack of training or leak not identifying. In the usually for direct cause and indirect cause, usually it comes in the accident investigation form. Okay, if someone asks direct means definition also may ask what is direct cause, what is indirect cause. If you put some example, you give some example, it's very good. They will put 100 marks, whatever, 3 marks or 8 marks, whatever, 100% of marks. In the case of leak, the direct cause could be lack of adequacy of operator training. Operator training, detecting the leak. We are not identifying the leak. Why we are not identifying? We are not checking. Okay, regular inspections, proper supervisions. If everything is there now, they will identify. That cause is indirect cause. During accident investigation, we have to mention that it is a direct cause. It's happening in direct cause or indirect cause. If any tank that equipment fault, anything means it's a direct cause. Indirect cause means failure. It's a failure. Still lack of training. Example is given, no? Identifying sources equipment not been calibrated properly, even though that regularly calibrated, not properly not calibrated. That is the reason that accident happened, the cause of indirect cause. An accident happened now, if someone asks you, it is a direct cause or indirect cause. Indirect cause, most of the accidents happen in the indirect cause. Direct cause means directly something happened, that is the equipment fault. In the with the example of the tank, there is an issue with the alignment or whatever. I will show you again. Example, in the case of leak, the direct cause could have been problem with the component or equipment leak. Okay. In the case of system misalignment, the direct cause could have been operator error or adjustment the alignment. Okay. This is indirect cause. I will show you again. An indirect cause is the cause that contributed to the occurrence, but by itself would not have caused the occurrence. Directly, it's not happened due to the lack of the leak is happened. Example with the leak is happened with we need a lack of knowledge, incompetent operator, not the lack of training. Even leak is, if you are identifying leaking, no, if leak, we can control within the starting problem. When starting the leak, we will do some alternate further. Equipment had not been calibrated properly, even though it's not calibrated. You know, calibration means, you know that calibration. Anyone know what is the calibration? Suppose you are using any measuring meters, measuring instruments means that should be calibrated. It's working or not properly. Some average people will test, calibrate that one. Is it this is equipment is calibration dates and everything they will check. Even some of important things, means important measuring meters, oxygen checking meters, and analyzers, oxygen analyzer, H2S analyzer are in the site somewhere. That should be calibrated. It's working or not properly. Okay. You understood what is the calibration? Usually that is done by third party inspection, third party people, not within the organization. Calibration. Okay. They will that now it is in this indirect cost it has came in calibrated. Safety is in the syllabus, everything will be rotated. Rotation means interlink with all the chapters. Okay. Shall we go for next slide? Hello?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, in case of accident, what is the root cause we have to find out? The root cause is the cause that is corrected, would prevent recurrence of the similar occurrences. Example, in the case of leak, 3 examples we are putting in the same. The tank is any leaking, chemical tank or whatever, some leaks. Example with leaks with all the causes, root cause, direct cause and indirect cause. Okay. Example, in the case of leak, the root cause could be management not ensuring the equipment. Management not ensuring the equipment is properly maintained. There is a lack of management commitment. You see, in the case of the leak, root cause could not be management not ensuring that the equipment is properly maintained. Maybe regularly not maintained. As per their maintenance is also required, every 6 months, according to the equipment, maintenance is required. Management failure, this one. Not ensuring the equipment is properly maintained in case of system misalignments. After using some time, there is a misalignments and everything. During we have to do the maintenance and everything on time. As per the schedule of the example, it's given here in the tanks, maybe in machinery, mission to mission, it's different. Okay. The root cause could be an ineffective training program. Because of ineffective training program means training sufficiently not provided by the management. A root cause can consequences is any basic underlying causes that was not in turn caused by more important underlying causes. In these consequences as a root cause, important so many underlying causes. Okay, some important more underlying causes are there. Usually these root cause and indirect cause and direct cause, it will come on the accident investigations. Okay, I will show you some examples. Causes of the accidents, individual and job factors, unclear lines of responsibility. If responsibilities are not there, means there is a cause of accident. In your job, you have some given responsibilities. You will do as per your responsibility. Not we cannot do that job as we want to do. As there is a procedures as per our responsibilities, roles and responsibilities, we will do. See, poor supervision. See, different like one maximum one supervisor can focus on one work, or maybe if it is near 2 work. Workers are working. Poor supervision. If they're doing any mistakes, supervisor or engineer will assist them. Don't do like this, you do this. Because of without supervision, we will lose the quality and safety also. Ultimately, that is the loss for the company. Okay. Organization will get, if there is no proper supervision for their production something, means their production will, there is a deviations in the production or in safety, whatever. Okay. Lack of information, instruction, and training. Accidents will happen without training because of no training and no instructions. We are not giving any instructions. It means lack of information, instruction, and training. Instructions means when um, we didn't give any procedure to him. There is no training, no permit system, lack of information. Just giving task to him, someone. They don't know how to do the safe way. Then that result of accident. Okay. Ineffective communication. Lack of communication also accidents happen. What to do as step by step, they have to tell the team. But lack of communication gap, if there is communication, what to do, they don't know. There is a chances of accident. Ineffective communication. Unsafe acts. These are the causes. Unsafe acts means human errors. They are doing intentionally. They want to do the unsafe acts. They were doing. Misuse of equipment. Equipment misuse. What actually has to do with the equipment? They will do as they want. Misuse. Okay. Not following safe procedures. See, not following safety procedures. They are not following. They are deviating the procedure. Means the person, who is the suppose one person is there, he is not following the procedures means he is doing unsafe act. Okay. Some unsafe conditions. Causes of these are the causes of the accidents. Individual and job factors. First I said. And unsafe acts due to some unsafe act, misuse of equipment, not following the safe procedure. Unsafe conditions. Poor housekeeping. Poor housekeeping means poor housekeeping means no cleaning in the workshop or whatever. When there is a tripping hazard, slip, trip, fall. If the properly, if not housekeeping with any near to the any chemicals or near to the any hard work, there is a chance of fire. Okay. Poor design and construction. Poor construction and design. Design is poor. Means properly not planned. It's not a proper design to work, safe workly. Okay. Then it will chance of accident. Okay. We have 10 more minutes after while discussing, maybe after 10 minutes automatically close this. Types, category of the accidents. Slip, trip, falls on the same level. Slip, trip, fall, and you know that what is the slip, trip, fall? Slips, slip because of something on the floor. Trips means there is obstruction with any cables, trailing cables, or any unwanted materials. Because of we hit and trip. If there while we are working in the industry, floor is not clear with oily or something, or water, everything is there. If they are not maintaining properly, means there is chance of slip. Trip means if something obstructions are there while we are moving, that hit to the our foot and we will fall down. Falls on same level, not from height and not that is different. Fall from height in the same level. Now we are discussing. Okay. See the in this yellow diagram is there, no? On right side. How one person is falling down. This one, this one. Fall from height. Fall from the height means from the top, and if from floors, edges, while working from edges. Most of the accidents, dangerous accidents happen like this. Fall from the height. Struck by moving, falling object. Stuck between two objects, between two or more. It is stucking because of there is no proper safety systems. There is no proper communications, whatever. Okay. Struck by types of this is a category of actions. In the in the accident investigation, we have to mention the what type of accident that was. Okay. If someone asks if something accident, safety guy, what type of accident it happened means these are the types we can tell. Okay. Collisions with objects. Collisions with objects means some objects are there. A crossing, while crossing. While crossing, dashing. This one. Collisions. Okay. And next, trapping, crushing, or between objects. Okay. While manual handling. See, manual handling only. How many boxes she is carrying? Four, more than four boxes, big one. That can fall. That may be fall, no? That one. During manual handling means manual handling also they have a procedure. Okay. Electricity. Due to electricity, there is some more accident. Using hand tools. Using any hand tools. Misusing. Failure. Whatever. Accidents categories. This one. And we are discussing about categories of accidents. Contact with chemicals. While handling or working with the chemicals. Struck by vehicle. Drowning. Drowning means something you are working somewhere in the tank. Some material is drowning. Drowning up means you are covered. You are in the tank or somewhere. Drowning means some material is coming from the top or sides, whatever, wherever. Drowning means we will be covered with that material. Drowning. That's a feeling with something. If you are person, people are inside, then at the time, if something drowning with some any material, due to the drowning, there is a chances of accidents. Fire and explosion. You know that explosion. Animals and violences. Due to violences, there is also accident because so many people are fighting or violences. And for that, in the case of violations, violence also one of the cause of the accident. Okay. One minute, please. Hello? Hello, all are in silent, no? Everyone getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have 10 minutes only more. Accident prevention, this one. Accident prevention is the main role in the industry. Anticipating, before we have to identify anticipating. Accident prevention is the technique of anticipating and controlling events so that accidents are eliminated and the subsequent costs in time and money are avoided. Yeah, because of due to the accidents, what will happen? It is a waste of time and expense of money also for the organization. That's why organization want to prevent the actions for using from technique of anticipating and controlling events, so that actions are eliminated. Completely we are not eliminated, we have, even though some critical works, some of the actions happening in the industry. That's why they are providing on safety team for that, to identify such things and control the such things, to follow the procedures. We have to monitor all those things in the site complete. If something happened, we are also accountability for that. Okay, we have accountability for that. Before starting any task in that, without safety team authorization, they cannot do in the industry. As I said earlier, we have to inspect. Everyone is the responsibility. Finally, we are giving the permission to them. Finally, who will give? Safety team will permission. Safety say it's not, means no one cannot. In head office also, if someone call you, allow to do the work, means if you find out this is unsafe to do this, you have a right choice. Right means if they do, there is a chance of accidents. If you say no, means no one cannot do in the industry. They do the work. Yeah, Bharadwaj, are you there? The working people know that's this one. Okay. The key to successful prevention program is management committed to health and safety. What is the key for this successful prevention? Management commitment. These are the, are you find out these are the things repeated. Management committed. If the strong management commitment is there, means there is no chances of accidents. Okay, commitment of the management. Okay, if the management is committed strong, then all and communication from the top to bottom, if it is clear, there is no chances of accidents. Need a commitment for that to do anything. Okay, we have only 1 minute. If you have any doubt, you can we'll go the next slide after the next class, 6 p.m. Tomorrow there is no class. We'll continue from Monday. What are the techniques? We will tell. What are the accident prevention techniques? Means we will come in the topic next. Hello.
Sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థం
అవుతుంది సార్ కొంచెం.
నేను అర్థమవుతుందో అడగండి.